Friends, the faith was given to 11 fishermen, tax collectors, and uneducated Galileans. They passed it to thousands of others before Stephen, a man who distributed food, was stoned to death. Now hunted and persecuted, those thousands walked it from Jerusalem to India, to Ethiopia, to North Africa, Greece, Rome, and Spain. Then those who received the faith were thrown to the lions and burned alive on stakes by evil men. But they passed the faith to the next generation. Those Christians continued to pass that same faith in times of peace and blessing, in times of poverty and persecution, decade after decade and century after century. They walked it to people like the people in Persia, in China, where the church still grows even while in prison and underground. Our fathers and mothers in the faith sailed this faith across the world's oceans, fleeing those who wanted to silence and destroy them. They landed and continued to contend for the faith. To this day, the faith not only survives but grows, even where earthly powers do what they can to silence it. For 2,000 years, followers of Jesus Christ have so known the value and the power of their faith that they contended for it and spread the good news in every political and economic environment. God kept every single one of them. Every one of them was called. Every one of them was loved. Not a single one was lost. So now, church, it is our turn to do the same.